Hey guys, what's up? Today here we are going to show you a very nice kitten that Kaylee and Cassie found. We found her near the lake. Well, I wasn't with them because, let's just say that I was actually sleeping because it was past my bedtime. And here she is. Yeah, it has a very bad eye. She is infected. If she comes over here, Mittens, by the way, we named her that. See that? Yeah, it's pretty bad. Oh boy. So basically she is a baby. She's too skinny, so far she's doing okay with one eye. But hopefully we get that checked out. Probably not going to do this long because it's only 3 minutes on this stupid camera. She is pretty playful. She has a very, very quiet meow. You can also feel the bones, so you can tell how skinny she is. So far she's doing okay. She found a little box. Okay, that is actually over there. That was. Seriously?
Huh?
I'm doing a thing. Whatever.
What?
Hey.
Not mine. So yeah, the sentence. We're gonna show you today. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you. Bye bye.